As you all are quite aware, మీ అందరికి తెలిసే ఉంది. You have been a part of the hospital since the inception of the hospital, since the beginning of the hospital. From the day the foundation stone was laid till today, whatever it is started with the 45-bedded hospital to today to a 405-bedded hospital, it's all because of the reason, the dedication, the determination, and the need for which the hospital has been actually established, and giving world-class cancer care center with cost-effective and within the reach of the poor. And we also have very great people there, like doctors and the staff, which have been working hard for the hospital, and it is all because of all the, from the beginning, if you go to the past, the technical expertise and the beginning, the dream of my father, where he wanted hospital cancer, full specialized in cancer, because he had two options at that time. One was a cancer hospital and one was in child care and ladies care hospital he wanted to. And because of the past incidents which happened, and because of where the cancer was being neglected, and also my mother has passed because of cancer. So he took the initiation to go ahead with the cancer hospital, and because of many, I can say several scientists, doctors, and philanthropists and physicists, because of their untiring efforts put into this hospital, today it has come par level with, I can say not, it is the only, the second best in the country, I can say. And today all the, like the middle class or the power, the poor people, and below the poverty line people, and this is mainly a non-profitable hospital institution which has been formed to serve the poor mainly, but which cannot run without funds. So then we had to think about this paying guests, paying patients and all that. And then today we have been also seeing the amount of the prevalence of this disease also. We have been seeing today, like, it is the second largest killer in the country, and I can say like 1 in every 12 is being affected by some kind of cancer. And very soon I think our country will become the cancer capital of the world, which is very pitiful and very shameful. Okay, that all goes because of the conditions by which, through which this cancer, by eating preserved food or by unhygienic conditions, or by because of some cancers are hereditary also. And I've been learning a lot about this cancer and about all the need which in the future the hospital needs to become more than, see, we have vision and a mission. The vision is to provide this cancer treatment at an affordable price to the poor. That is our mission, and our vision is to take this cancer hospital to make it a premier cancer institute for research and treatment, cancer care. So now we have also what I realize is the pockets where we can totally invest and can develop more is the R&D wing divisions which we have in the hospital. So it's also a research center. So we have the potential of doing a lot of research. So for that, which I am totally concentrating on. Of course, we have our now the hospital is an expansion. The main thing is first of all to complete the building. It's almost ready, and I think just for some good days, and maybe in October we are planning to open the building, and further we have to give the privileges. When we think about the paying patients also, then we also have to think about the privileges. So we have been bifurcating both the Arogyashri and the paying patients, and we expect more paying patients to come in, where financially also we can be on ourselves, sound and strong. And we are sound and strong because of the funds you have been providing to us. And for the time being, we are totally concentrating on the research and development division, and also we want to go in for expansion to the other parts of Andhra Pradesh. That is, we want to have satellites hospitals, and then also people are coming forward, not only from Andhra Pradesh but also from like Chandigarh. One doctor has come forward that his building is there free, and he wants us to open a hospital there with the Basavatarkam Indo-American Cancer Hospital and Research Center, and for which it's not only branding, because branding is something different. We're not selling our name, or we want to also concentrate on the patient care, and also about the cleanliness about which I was talking. So we want to concentrate on that, and then only, and we will have all thorough check every time, always about that. And these are the pockets we have been, because we are planning to open one at Vizag, Visakhapatnam, and then near Vijayawada, Gannavaram. One person has come forward with offering us land, and then in Nizamabad, like that. We have plans to go further, spread our branches into Andhra Pradesh, and we have been doing CME programs where we have been trying to access to the remotest parts of Andhra Pradesh. Not only it is one to apart from research and the treatment we are giving, it is about the prevention, the detection, and the treatment. So treatment is of two kinds. One is the stage of the cancer and how it can be, according to the stages, can be cured totally by screening them, and in case if it's not that severe, then to give them medicines, and then bringing about awareness among the rural areas, and then if it's very severe, it needs radiation operation, and that we are bringing them to the hospital where, and we have specialists in the hospital, like the doctors, eminent doctors, very eminent doctors in surgical, medical, and who not only radiation methods, but we also facilitate multidisciplinary approach to evaluate and treat all our patients. So these doctors, they meet and they discuss to evaluate every patient, and regarding their diagnostic or treatment procedures, and again, and which also resulting in the development of a unique and comprehensive treatment care for a plan for each patient. So the plan which my father had envisioned, a cancer-free treatment society, and because of the help of several eminent philanthropists, doctors, scientists, and physicists and all, and also the trustees have been doing putting in untiring efforts of both Srimati Nandamani Basavatarka Ramarao Memorial Cancer Foundation and Indo-American Cancer Organization. Today, we have come to a position where we are giving at an affordable price cancer care, cancer treatment, and further my idea is the people below the poverty line too should have the access for financially when it goes, because we are already into the, and we are still further trying to go into the remotest parts, and is to form a corpus fund mainly, and with which we can also do free service to the people below the poverty line. And there are few things where when it comes to the management side, there also we have eminent people who are into all different lines, like here Josna Garu, Prabhavati Garu, and then there are doctors here, and Anmol Subbarao, Mallareddy Garu, and all of them, and the Lions Club, Ravi Garu, who has been come forward at the first, when the thought was started, and they came forward with their technical, the equipment side and the funding side. They have been very cooperative to the hospital. So each and everyone, give the credit to everybody. And today I have taken up this new assignment, I can say, which I feel it, like I said, is all, I'm carrying it forward for what all you have done before, and with further your cooperation. Still, what I said was like, is to take it not only in our state or in the South India or not in India, but also internationally also. I want to, like everyone thinks, they want to take it, and I've been to different places, like the Bay Area, Los Angeles, and to Chicago, Atlanta, Detroit, and St. Louis, Washington DC. And now here I am, and everywhere the response was fantastic. And when I say the word IACO, so they have a special recognition for themselves, and they feel so proud for what all it has been doing from the beginning. And I wish to also now make many more trips to states and all to also the other parts of the world, where I've been knowing a lot of people, and to raise funds, and also to have their, like I've been to St. Louis. Then we have one doctor there who is from the Washington University School of Medicine, Dr. Carlos Perez. He was there, and it was nice knowing people, and also getting them more involved from the other parts, and the chapters we have been spreading, trying to now spread throughout the United States and also the world. So it looks now world is too small for me, and I thank each and everyone for their human service they have rendered to the hospital, and they've been rendering, and we'll continue this our association, and we shall take this hospital to international standards. So once again, thank everybody for taking this. We call it like Mr. said, not as a fundraising, but it has been more informal, and because I know everyone, each one of you. So I thank all of you for coming and giving me the opportunity to meet you, to see you. Thank you very much. And I thank Polo Bugaru and Nagara Polo Bugaru for organizing this fantastic get-together this evening. And thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for a very inspiring presentation. We are very honored you are here, and we are inspired that you are leading the organization. And I see a bright future, significantly bright future for our center under your leadership. What we would like to, personally, I would like to see, there are a lot of people who visit Hyderabad, frequently, a lot of our donors here. I want you to open a liaison office in the hospital, so people coming here can go there and someone can take them around and show the progress. So that way, what I would like to see is bring back the connectivity back from this organization to our organization there. So a liaison officer or a liaison center, small office, where anyone can go there and see what is happening. So that will go a long way in building the relation again. And anybody would like to know, I know a lot of silent donors are there. You can write the check to Indo-American Cancer Organization, and we will make sure that it is delivered to Hyderabad Cancer Center immediately. Get them.